In this video, I am going to explain about fainting, how to deal with the victims of fainting. You can see there's a victim of fainting. Okay, so what are the causes of fainting? In case the patient, the victim doesn't take in his meal on time and he has low glucose and energy levels, then he can faint. And extreme exhaustion by heat can also cause fainting. Now I am going to loosen his clothes so that air can easily ventilate. And the second thing you can do, you can put the patient in Trendelenburg position, in which you can elevate the legs of the patient, and you can also put the patient in recovery position. What are the advantages of recovery position is that in recovery position the fluid is drained out from the patient's body and his airway is not blocked. And the advantage of Trendelenburg position is that the blood circulation to the heart and brain increases. So now I am going to put the patient in recovery position first. As you can see, I have put the patient in recovery position. In this position, the fluid can be drained out from the patient's mouth and his airway is not blocked. Now I am going to put the patient in Trendelenburg position. In Trendelenburg position, you have to just elevate the patient's legs. You can also use a chair for support, or you can hold it by your hands. The advantage of Trendelenburg position I have explained earlier. It increases the circulation of blood to your heart and brain. That's all you can do in fainting first aid.